it's me Anna. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I am going to show you a very natural everyday makeup look. So since the time I started vlogging, I have been getting this question like how I do my makeup and how does my makeup look so natural and what foundation and what lipstick do I use. Honestly, I don't like applying too much makeup. I always want my makeup to be very subtle, very natural. So a quick disclaimer before starting this video that I am no way a makeup artist. This is how I like to do my makeup, and this makeup look is very easy. Anybody can do it in less than 10 minutes. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. And yes, before starting this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification on so that every time I post a new video you get notified. you liked this video. If you did, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and yes, share this video with your friends, and I'll be doing more such videos. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.